Welcome back, everyone. Today we're showing you a unique DIY-friendly epoxy floor that you can do yourself. It has a sky blue base and black highlights. Watch how easy it is to get this look. For more info on our floor kits, check the description below. If you're not already part of the Leggari Nation, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos.
Now this is a sky blue base. So you'll see that the first thing Tyler's doing is just spreading the epoxy about 90% of the way using the squeegee. And notice how he's trying to focus on the edges first, because once you get the edges done, it's very easy to fill in the middle. Now notice how you can kind of see some of the primer through this base coat. You will not be able to see it when he's done cross rolling, and especially the next day when he's added more volume to the floor with the black highlights, cross rolled, swirled it, you won't see anything. This is such a small area. This is 135 square feet. If you're doing anything 500 square feet and larger, we really recommend an 18-inch wide roller. It's still 3/8 inch nap and you want to de-shed it, but it'll make quick work of cross rolling and helping level out this floor. So the first thing he's doing is he found some puddles on the floor, some thicker spots, and he just soaked up that roller as much as he could. Once the roller is completely saturated, notice he's just going edge to edge. That's the key when you're cross rolling. You want to go edge to edge. Now he's dumping out the highlights. Now these are black highlights, And he's trying to move all the way across the floor and even getting it close to the edges, because you want the design to look like it goes underneath the walls. Anytime you're doing a room, you don't want this border of your base coat and then the design is just in the middle. You want to get as close to the wall as you can. So now he's just soaked up the roller again, and all he's doing is just letting that roller glide over the surface. That's it. He's not really pushing down. He's just moving it and allowing it to glide over the surface. And now he's noticed that he'd like a little more black in certain areas. So he's just going to pour out a little bit more and actually use all of this highlight. That's the beauty of highlights. You can start with less and then add more if you think you need it. It doesn't look that good right now, but that's the beauty of our metallic epoxy process, is that the material does most of the work in terms of making the floors look good. You kind of move it around and then it will self-marbleize and move for the next couple hours, and you won't see any roller lines. It'll lay out absolutely glass smooth. You just want to be very random in how you swirl the floor back and forth and how you move that color. Now notice it looks okay, but it doesn't look that good. You see roller lines. We'll show you what it looks like the next day. Okay, this is the next day. Notice how even the sky blue has highs and lows within it. It looks like we added white. We didn't. That's the beauty of our metallics. There's so many different shades of each color.